Okay, we're here at the Castle Inn and Suites. It is just off of Harbor here in Anaheim. We're gonna go take a look at some of the rooms that they have to offer here. So come with us and unlock the magic.
Let's go see it on the inside. This way, hon. Come on. Love it, baby. Love it.
Right here.
Yep. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Good. Good to see you again.
Welcome.
Such a fun lobby. So this is what you want the our house to look like, this kind of theme? All right.
Look how beautiful.
I know. So can I get a full-size night then?
Yes.
Okay.
There's the tapestry back there. That's cool. There's the shield.
Yeah.
There's a mirror, like the emblem, like the
Crest
yes,
style?
the crest. There we go. I couldn't think of it. I was getting there.
I want one of those chairs.
This
right?
is beautiful chair.
All right. Ready to go see some rooms?
Yes.
All right.
Is he coming? Castle. That is beautiful.
So that's, yeah. From 55, how the castle looked. Too cool.
Oh,
Yeah.
gonna be brand.
And it's free parking for if you
Free
stay.
parking. If you stay here, one couple registered room, free Wi-Fi, no resort fees. No.
All right.
Yeah.
And how many units? How many rooms?
We have total of 200, actually 199. And we have 130 of the standard rooms.
Okay.
And we have 37 of the family suites.
All right.
Uh-huh. And so these gargoyles he was talking about, they lit up at night. Oh, we'll just go right over here.
All right.
And we have like coin operated laundry, but right there.
Oh.
So if they need.
All right, so this is the coin operated laundry room. So again, this is located right next to the pool area. Okay, so if we come in here, there's a trash can. There's also, it looks like several washers and dryers. So that's actually nice. So you could do, if there's nobody else doing loads, you could do multiple loads at a time if you really needed to. And then there's also a table back here, so you can do your folding if you'd like to as well. So that's a nice little amenity here at the Castle Inn and Suites.
And when's the pool construction supposed to be done?
It's supposed to be 10 weeks, so we're shooting for April 10th.
Oh, good. So well before summertime.
Awesome. All right, this is a standard room at the Castle Inn and Suites.
Let's
Okay.
check it out.
So already right away, this catches my attention right here. This is beautiful, beautiful picture. I'm like getting so many ideas for our home decor right now. I really like this lamp. I like the style, like the color of the carpeting, everything like that.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Over here, we have an outlet where the lamp is. So these are 2 queen size beds, correct?
Right.
Okay, 2 queen size beds.
Look at
Those
that.
are
I'll just
beautiful.
zoom right through at you. You have my heart.
And then over here, we have a bedside table between the 2 queen size beds. I can talk. We open the drawer. There's storage space here. There's storage space underneath. There's also our alarm clock here. There are 2 USB ports and then 2 outlets. And then, of course, your phone. There's also, this looks actually
That's a microwave.
microwave. Okay, I was like, is this a toaster oven? So this is a microwave. Right below the microwave, there is storage space.
Ooh, and they're on rollers too, which is
Yes.
nice because some places don't have
Smooth.
rollers.
Yeah.
And we've had some come out, so that is a nice feature.
Yeah.
I'm a fan of that.
This is a nice size television here. Right below that is a little bit of storage space. So if you want to store like snacks, a little bit of food right here, maybe your what's called cup of noodles. Right below that we have a mini fridge. The mini fridge does not have the freezer component, just so that you are aware of that, but there is the fridge. And then right next to that,
And they do have the ice machines just down the hall.
yes. And then there is also coin operated laundry right next to the pool area. And then right here we have our closet. So this is a very nice, spacious closet, by the way. Storage up top, storage on the side. Your hangers are in here. Okay. And then if you want to come around here, so we have a nice, this is also a nice, big, wide mirror. I mean, I would consider it floor length. It's just up higher. And I'm not very tall. So. And then over here, so I'll close this for right now, just so that we can see this area. So this is your sink area. And then, like Jason was saying, there's the ice chest, extra hand towels, hair dryer, single serve coffee pot. There's the trash located right there.
And yes, good space underneath.
Good space underneath.
And I noticed really too, wide door for the bathroom.
Yes.
So that's a nice feature to have for multiple reasons.
Yeah.
So
there's also the hook right here. So that's easily seen and accessible. And then when you come into the bathroom area, so this is the toilet in the bathtub. This is also a shower. So it's nice. They have the non-slip mat here. That's actually something I don't see quite often anymore.
no, usually it's just a towel or but to have that nice
So that's nice to have inside of the bathtub. There is a shelf for the soap. This is the double what do you call this?
shower curtain.
Double line shower curtain. I'm like, I know it. There's something.
Now people might go, of course, but no, we've stayed somewhere that it did not, and it made a mess.
See,
so
that's why I like to point it out, because I like to have the double. Like, you need to have one in the shower and one out the shower. Block the water.
And of course, more of the great artwork,
Yes.
Greystone Castle. This is like, I love the theming overall. It's so fun.
Yeah.
And we might have to come back and shoot the gargoyles at night, because we went by them, because those light up. So just the way they tie everything in is so fun.
Yeah.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. All right.
Thank you. Alrighty.
We'll go over here.
Okay.
We'll just go.
Okay.
Here, okay. So this is the family suite. So we have the king size bed here. We've got our lovely love swans on the bed. On either side of the king size bed, we have 2 nightstands. So over here we have the alarm clock, and over on the other side is the phone. So again, with the alarm clock, there is the USB, and there's the 2 outlets here. And then both of the bedside tables have storage underneath, and then they also have the drawer storage.
Again, on rollers, which
On
is
rollers.
nice.
And then over here we have the LG TV. And then right below that, again, storage for food, snacks, pantry items, whatever you want to just kind of store there. Underneath we have the mini fridge. So again, there's no freezer component, just so that you're aware. This is just the mini fridge. Okay. And then over here we have a microwave. And then beneath that, the drawers on rollers. And then over here, we have a nice desk area. There's also a nice mirror here for you to work. There is the outlet that is a part of the lamp that is on top of the desk. Right here, we have a nice floor length mirror. Again, I call it a floor length mirror, but I'm not very tall, so. All right, so here in the closet, we have lots of space. So you can store longer garments like, dresses, coats, robes, things like that. There is no ironing board or iron in here, but it is available upon request. Okay.
Perfect. I meant to ask that in the last room. All right.
Okay, let's go over here. So now we're going to go look inside of the bathroom. So this is a nice little bathroom. So you've got your sink, toilet, and bath all in the same area. So again, the non-slip mat that's on top of the bathtub. Lots of space underneath the sink. There is the double shower curtain to help keep the water from going out everywhere. And then you have your ice bucket in here. Lots of extra towels. So very nice. Okay. And then we're gonna go over here into there's actually a nice additional sink in here. So that's really cool. There's the coffee maker here, single serve coffee maker. Oh my gosh. Little baby swans. That's adorable.
That is adorable.
There's extra towels in here as well. Let's see, I just want to double check. Okay, yeah. Okay. So this is also like a desk area or an eating area, dining area, whatever you kind of want to use it for. And then these are the 2 queen size beds. So in between these 2 queen size beds, we also have another nightstand. So phone, alarm clock with the 2 outlets, the 2 USB ports, the storage underneath of the bedside table, and then the pull-out drawer. And then over here, we have another LG TV, which is really nice. So again, this is the family suite. So there's a TV over in the other area, and there's a TV in here as well. So people can be doing different things at the same time.
If you notice the order of rooms too, that's really great about it is the 2 beds are back here. So parents are up front,
yes,
at the front of the room. So I really like that feature for bringing the kiddos. You don't have to worry about that. You do have the door. Obviously, you can give privacy and have that. So that's a nice buffer to have too. Especially, 2 TVs going. Sometimes you don't want the crossover noise, but I really like that. It was really well thought out that the master bed and everything is up front. So parents can really keep a good watchful eye on what is happening there, the kiddos and so forth. And they're not going to go wandering off because I know for me, when I was young and this close to Disneyland, that's exactly what I was going to do. So really well thought out here at the Castle Inn and Suites.
Yeah.
All right. Did you have anything else you wanted to add in?
No, that's pretty much it. So underneath the TV, there's some more storage area. And then there's also an additional table with 2 chairs. Again, if you want another workspace or an area to sit down and eat, relax. So, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Again, more of the great theming. All the artwork here is just phenomenal. Just has such a wonderful vibe and all the colors. You're looking to save on your trip to Disneyland and stay at the Castle Inn and Suites? Well, there's a game changer for you. That's Getaway Today. Book your vacation with Getaway Today. They make it super easy to bundle your park tickets and hotels for the best deals. And the location, you can't beat the Castle Inn and Suites. Family owned for multiple generations, literally right across the street from Disneyland. We're talking walk to the gates convenience, castle theme vibes, and the perfect home base for your park days. So if you got little ones, parents, this is the perfect place for you to stay, and book it with Getaway Today. Save money, stay close, and it's easy to book. Click the link in the video description or give them a call at 1-855-GETAWAY. That's 1-855-GETAWAY. Tell them the Magic Keycast sent you. That unlocks their special concierge services, and it'll save you an additional bonus off. Unlock the magic with Getaway Today and the Magic Keycast.